Today we're unboxing a masterpiece that merges Swiss luxury with cutting-edge technology, the TAG Heuer Connected Calibre E4, model SBR8A80.EB0365. Sponsored by watchwarehouse.com. Please look in the comments section below for the link to watchwarehouse.com. Watchwarehouse.com offers thousands of watches at discount prices. If you're into high-end smartwatches with the heart of a sports machine and the soul of a luxury brand, this one's for you. TAG Heuer doesn't just make watches, they craft experiences. And that starts with the box. The packaging is premium, solid, and minimalist, just what you'd expect from a brand steeped in luxury. And there it is, the SBR8A80.EB0365. A stunning 42mm titanium case, DLC coated in deep matte black, with that sleek black rubber strap and blue and red strap. It screams performance but whispers class. In the box, you'll get the watch itself, a custom TAG Heuer magnetic charging dock, USB-C cable power adapter, and of course the user manual's neatly tucked in a premium envelope. Let's talk build. The Grade 2 titanium body is ultra-light but incredibly tough, finished in diamond-like carbon DLC for scratch resistance and that stealthy black aesthetic. The rubber strap, soft touch, breathable, and super comfortable, can be exchanged in seconds. One press on the crown and the OLED display lights up crisp, vibrant, and ultra-responsive. It's powered by the Snapdragon Wear 4100 platform, ensuring fluid performance. The Calibre E4 isn't just about looks, it's smart too. Customizable TAG Heuer, dials inspired by their analog icons heart rate monitoring, built-in GPS step tracking, calorie burn and full Google Wear OS integration. So you get apps, notifications, Google Assistant, and more. This specific model, the SBR8A80.EB0365, is geared for those who want power, style, and versatility, all in one elegant package. So, is the TAG Heuer Connected Calibre E4 worth it? If you appreciate precision craftsmanship and want a smartwatch that blends into both boardrooms and workouts, this is in a class of its own. Let me know in the comments what you think about this model, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more luxury tech and watch content. This has been the unboxing of the TAG Heuer Connected Calibre E4, model SBR8A80.EB0365. Thanks for watching, and remember, check out the watch on watchwarehouse.com.